Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. I was looking for ChatGPT tools online which are free and do not require registration. What I found out that most of them are kind of subscription based, and they require you to register. And some of them are free, but they have so many ads when you go to the site that it's very hard to actually work. So after going through site after site, I came up with 3 sites today which are 100% free, and 2 of them even do not require any registration. And these are, I think, the best free chat GPT tools you can use. So if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to give you some special tips, and also I'm going to tell you something which you must know, especially if you're a content creator. So the first one, my recommendation is going to be the site you're looking at right now, which is onlinegpt.org. Now, this site doesn't require any registration. And what happens, I like this site because it has, it's very organized. As you can see that, it has the tools block by block. So for example, you have to click here to write an essay. You have to click here to generate an article. So here is ChatGPT, and you can even write a letter, and you can summarize something. And then you can, if you're a content creator, then you can do like YouTube video script, app description generator, code generator. Then here you have title generator, and you have YouTube tag generator. So I used already YouTube title generator and YouTube description generator, and also the tag, and they are excellent. So let me just show you something. For example, I'm just going to click on YouTube description generator, and what you have to do, you have to just give some idea, a video about traveling to Boracay, and style here, I always keep it catchy. It can be like formal, educational, inspirational. So I would just keep catchy, and here I would just remove these keywords. And if you click generate descriptions, then you're going to see that the bot is doing the magic. So this is so cool and so fast, very hard to believe. So if you want to go back to the tools again, and let's say you want to do something else, let's say letter generator, and type of letter is cover letter, resignation, business. So let's write a thank you letter, and here I'm going to say that topic of letter, thanks subscribers for their support on my YouTube channel. And let's just click generate letter, and then you're going to see that it can really write a beautiful letter. So it's so fast that my brain even cannot think that how can it be so fast. So ChatGPT is powered by artificial intelligence, and I believe all of them used the same basic engine, but they're just bringing you the ChatGPT via different websites. For example, this is Online GPT, and I have 2 more to show you. So you can see that this is really helpful. You can write essay for your if you're going to school or college or anywhere, you can do that. You can write even poem to your wife or girlfriend or your siblings. So there's the boundaries are limitless, and it can do so many things. So I'm already using some keyword generator tools and idea, and especially the description and the YouTube title, and it really works very nice. So for example, let's just check one more here. I'm just going to give it Boracay. Okay, let's change it to Niagara Falls, Canada trip report. This is going to be my video idea, catchy, and let's remove these and see what title it can come up with. So you're going to see that here are some nice titles, and their title generators are really good. I like the way they're generating titles. So this is one of my top recommended sites, and I like it because this is 100% free. You don't have to register. It didn't ask me to register. It didn't ask me to pay, and you can use it right away as long as you have the web address, which is right here. And also I'll give it to you in the description box below, and I'll put the URL on the screen. So this is my first recommendation. Now I'll go to my second recommendation, which is going to be talkai.info. And here, let's click here, and it just showing what I did in the past. So I'm just going to copy what I did something in the past, and here you have to kind of enter your question. So this site doesn't have everything laid out with the categories like the other site I just showed you. So I'm just going to say write YouTube title about visiting Philippines. Okay, and let's see what it can do. And the thing is, here it's giving only one title. So that's the thing I don't like. The other one is giving you so many titles, and here you have only one option. But let's say if you want to ask something else, for example, what should I give my sister for Christmas? Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, you can see that it's giving you some ideas and stuff, and the other one has the same features. This one is also has the same features, but this is just everything you're doing on one screen. You're not going to separate you're not clicking on separate categorized boxes. So that's the difference here. And also this one doesn't need any money or any subscription or any registration. So this is 100% free. All you have to do, you have to just go to the website, which is going to be talkai.info, and they mentioned that they have an app for Android. I tried to install it and use it, but on the app somehow they're asking for money, so I would just stick to the web version of the ChatGPT. So this is called talkai.info. Now the last one is going to be the original ChatGPT, and this is the website chat.openai.com. And this one actually gives you the name version of the bot they're using. So you can use a 3.5 for free, but if you want to do 4, then you have to pay. And you can see that the cost is $20 US per month, and here the free is this one, which is the 3.5 model. But I don't see the need for someone who's creating content, or for just someone like me or someone who's watching this video. But if you're in business or if you are doing higher level tasks, then definitely you might want to check out 4.0. Now this one is also free, but the thing is you have to register here. You have to open an account. So I had to open an account, and then I'm able to use this one for free with version 3.5. Now one thing, same like here, the other one, the second one I showed you, is that everything you're doing on a one page. It's not linked to, it's not categorized boxes like the first one. And here, let's say I'm going to ask a question. Create an itinerary for Krabi, for traveling to Krabi 3 days, for let's say 5 days. 5 days Krabi travel, and let's see what you get. Okay, so you can see that you're getting an itinerary for 5 days, step by step. So it's giving you day by day what you have to do, where you have to go. This is really incredible, and I'm actually starting planning my trip using AI now. and you can see that, it's going to save you so much time and hassle. Now let's put in the same question for the other two, which I didn't show, and then we can see the difference here. So here you can see that it's giving you kind of similar answers, but here there's nothing like, in bold. So that's the thing I like here, that here it's kind of a little easy to understand, and they're very similar, but they're not exactly the same. So you can just put in any arriving Krabi and check into your hotel. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. It looks like they're exactly the same. I didn't see this before. Enjoy swimming, snorkeling, relaxing these beautiful beaches. Okay, no, actually, not everything is the same. Some of the recommendations are exactly 100% match, but some of them are not. Now, let's go back to the first one, and I'm going to click here, chat now, and let's ask this one the same question, and let's see what I get. And you can see that it's creating an itinerary, and then it's very fast, very efficient, and this is the one I was mentioning that I like the most because of their categorization. So it's much easier to use this one than the other two. So now, my special tips. If you're using for these content creation, my recommendation would be not to just copy and paste. So let's say you're copying a description of something. Don't just copy and paste, because if someone else, and I'm pretty sure other people from different parts of the world using the same content to put on their website or YouTube description, it's going to get a match, and you might be in copyright issue. So whenever you're creating something to use as a content, just change something, except the titles, because titles can be like, there's no copyright when it comes to titles. So you can use the same titles. But even for titles, I'm just kind of mixing and matching. I'm just taking what I like most, but don't just copy and paste as it is for like an essay or description or tag or these things. So just use your judgment, and also use like all three and see which one you like most. I think I'm going to keep using all three, and just I might eliminate one of them, but I think it's going to be hard to do that because each one gives you different perspective and answers from different angles, although there's engine I think is the same, which is the same AI engine they're using. But this is really something I even couldn't believe that they can do these things, and this makes life so much easier and so much better, and it saves so much time also. So these are my 3 recommendations for the best 3 ChatGPT AI tools. For more tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.